Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to spot and trade a sell QM pattern. So I took my time and went through how to spot a buy pattern, and actually I traded volatility 51s on it, and you could see that the results were just massive. So I decided, let me come back now and show you guys how to be able to identify now a sell setup. So guys, remember to show some love by liking and by subscribing and by sharing and by also commenting on the comment section below. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to start first of all by looking at the trend, right? The trend is your friend. So we want to first of all find the market direction. So you can see this is a 24 hour time frame or the daily time frame. So basically what you can see here, you can see here that we have we have a downtrend. So you can see an impulse move correction, impulse move correction, impulse move correction, and I believe we might actually be continuing to go down perhaps to this level over there. So the first thing is that we've been able to identify that we are on a downtrend. So that's the first thing. Then what we do is now we move to the lower time frame. So from there we go to the 4-hour time frame, whereby now we're gonna mark our charts. So you can see here is we have that as a downtrend over there. So you can see that every time the market came to this level, we can see that there was there was a reaction. So definitely when the market got to this level over here, definitely we'll be looking for we'll be looking for a reaction there. That is where we'll be looking for our QM pattern. And how does a QM pattern look for sells? So it's gonna be an impulse move correction, or what you call higher high. The market will give us higher high, higher low, higher high, which is gonna break this high, and then the market will come all the way and give us a lower low, then give us a lower high. Then that is where we'll be looking for our sell setup. But this is what we are actually looking for. We were looking for this break of structure, and then we are looking for this change of character. Then once the market comes back to this level over here, that is where we are looking for our sell setups, and then we do we trade to the downside. So basically that's what we are doing. So we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to go down further on the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see now this is the playground. Now this is our correction. So definitely when the market was approaching this trend line over here, this is where we'll be interested to look and see if we'll do if we will see our if we'll see our QM pattern. That's our QM pattern over there. All right, should be able to draw this. And the first thing we want to do is we want first of all to change this into a line chart and see if you can be able to see this setup over there. So you can see now after changing into a setup, you can even take this and bring it inside here, and you can see guys exactly as I have drawn it. You can see that what's happening here. You can see we had a higher high, higher low. High is broken. The market comes to give us a lower low. Then once it comes back to the lower high to give us the lower high, that's when we enter our trade. And if you put this one on the side here, you can see that's a QM pattern over there. So now let's go back to our candlestick, and then now we can be able to join our highs. Or what you can do is that join this high to that high, and then join this low to that low over there, and then now we go to candlestick. Then once you're back, now you can of course maybe put them nicely. Then what happened here is at this level over here, this is where we are looking for this is where we are looking for the market to come and tap this level. Then we do then we enter our sell. But now before we also do that, we want to look and see if at this particular level over here, we want to see if the market give us if there was a divergence. And what we do now, we're going to add our indicator, which is here, our awesome oscillator indicator, you can see. So this is what we're going to use. What you do is I use the default setting. Don't change anything, just add it on your trading view. So you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, it's not clear. So what you do is that let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame and see if you'll see our what? If you'll see our divergence, and there it is. You see here, as the market was giving us higher high, what did the awesome oscillator do? The awesome oscillator gave us a lower high, and definitely that is our divergence. So now the moment the market comes back, can go back to the 1 hour time frame. The moment the market now comes back to this zone over here, you look for your confirmation now. All right, set your stop loss. I have other confirmation that I use, and that's part of my strategy that I teach in my student community. If you want, the link is in the description. You can talk to me on Telegram, and then I can add you to that. I also have a course that I explain everything. So everything is you can find it by clicking the link on the description and on this video. Then you can be able to reach out to me on Telegram. Then we can talk more on that. But you can see that as the market came here, you get your confirmation, you enter, you place your stop loss, and then look at that. Even if you just target this as your first high, as your first target, it actually played out 4.9. You can see it went around 5.8. Maybe this one could have taken you on break even around 5%. So it's as simple as that. Market structure, higher time frame. You start with higher time frame, you find the market direction, then you go to the lower time frame, you look for your QM setup. Once you find your QM setups, you join your highs and your lows, then you look at the awesome oscillator, you look for divergence, and for this case, this was a regular bearish divergence, which tells you that this market wants to reverse or is going to reverse. Then once you find your divergence, you mark your zone, you wait for the market to come to that level. Then when it comes to that level, find your confirmation now, because it doesn't mean that when it comes here, you just enter. You have to get your confirmations right. Then from there, you enter your market, and then you just wait for it to play out. And as you can see for this particular one, it actually played out massively. So guys, that is how it is on how to trade this QM pattern. Like I rightly said, I have a course that I teach all these things, the divergences, all types of divergences that I teach on the QM patterns, that I teach on the confirmation methods that I use, and other things. If you want to be able to have that, then you can actually reach out to me on Telegram. The link is on the description. But I also have a free Telegram channel. If you want to join, I normally share setups over there. So guys, so that's just it when it comes to sell, QM patterns. Of course, I'm going to find a trade, and then I'm going to enter that. I'm going to trade on the live market practically to show you that whatever I'm teaching is whatever I'm practicing. And then, of course, I'm going to do a video on that. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and remember to leave a comment below on the comment section over there. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.